Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best iPhone X Screen Replacement Kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for any iPhone X owner who has experienced the unfortunate event of a cracked or damaged screen, offering a comprehensive solution to restore your device's pristine display and functionality without the need for expensive professional repairs. This kit is designed to empower you with all the necessary tools and high-quality replacement parts, ensuring a smooth and successful DIY repair process that can save you both time and money while bringing your beloved iPhone X back to its former glory. Number 5. Power Theory iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd Gen Screen Protector. Introducing the ultimate screen protector, specifically designed for your iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation. It offers premium shatter resistance and 9H hardness to keep your device safe from everyday damage. Achieve a perfect, bubble-free alignment with our easy installation kit. We've included everything you need for a seamless application, and if you don't get it right the first time, we'll send a replacement for free. Enjoy the stunning clarity of your iPhone's display without compromise. This ultra-thin tempered glass shield provides 9H rated hardness while ensuring your front camera and sensors work flawlessly. Our flat design covers the essential screen area, leaving room for your favorite case. This ensures a better fit and prevents the annoying white halo effect often seen with other protectors. We stand by the quality of our accessories. That's why this screen protector comes with a no-hassle lifetime guarantee, ensuring you always have superior protection for your smartphone. What we like. This screen protector offers premium shatter resistance and a lifetime guarantee for peace of mind. If you are looking for a durable, long-lasting solution that comes with excellent support, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for users who want to protect their device without worrying about future issues. What people say. The screen replacement kit for iPhone X is a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary tools for a successful repair. The replacement screen itself is of high quality, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolution, comparable to the original display. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. Number 4. iPhone X Screen Replacement Kit. This is a high-quality replacement screen specifically designed for your 5.8-inch iPhone X. It's perfect for fixing cracked, broken, or malfunctioning displays, including issues like dead pixels and color distortion. Installation is straightforward, with most components pre-installed. You'll need to transfer a few parts from your old screen, such as the front camera and ear speaker, to ensure full functionality and Face ID compatibility. Enjoy a vivid and sharp visual experience with our high-resolution display. It features a sensitive 3D touch response, delivering the original user experience you expect. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. You'll find the premium quality screen, a full set of repair tools, a magnetic screw pad, waterproof adhesive, and a protective tempered glass film. We ensure every screen undergoes strict quality inspection. Plus, your purchase is risk-free with a lifetime warranty against non-human damages. Contact us for any questions or support. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for your iPhone X screen replacement, including a waterproof adhesive and a lifetime warranty. If you're dealing with a cracked or malfunctioning screen and want a complete package with excellent support, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who want to restore their phone's functionality and appearance with confidence. What people say. The screen replacement kit for iPhone X is a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary tools for a successful repair. The replacement screen itself is of high quality, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolution, comparable to the original display. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided, making it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. Number 3. iPhone X LCD Screen Replacement 5.8-inch. This is a replacement screen specifically designed for the iPhone X 5.8-inch model. It is compatible with models A1865, A1901, and A1902. We provide a detailed step-by-step tutorial and manual to guide you through the installation process. It includes helpful tips for a quick and easy setup. Your order includes the replacement screen assembly, a 6-piece tool set, and adhesive for installation. Please note that the ear speaker, front camera, proximity sensor, and metal back plate need to be transferred from your old device. This repair kit is the perfect solution for fixing various display problems. It can resolve issues like dead pixels, cracked screens, and incorrect color displays. Each screen assembly undergoes rigorous testing before shipment to ensure quality. If you encounter any issues, we offer a replacement or refund. Contact our customer support for assistance. What we like. This replacement screen comes with a helpful tutorial and a screen protector for a smooth DIY installation. If you're looking for a straightforward repair with guidance and an extra layer of protection, this option is great. It's suitable for users who want to tackle the repair themselves and ensure a quality outcome. What people say. The screen replacement kit for iPhone X is a comprehensive package, including all the necessary tools for a successful repair. The replacement screen itself is of high quality, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolution, comparable to the original display. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided in the kit, making it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. Number 2. iPhone X Screen Replacement Kit. This is a complete screen replacement kit specifically designed for the iPhone X. Ensure you have the correct model number before purchasing. Experience a stunning visual upgrade with its full HD display, offering vibrant colors and smooth 3D touch functionality. It provides a high-resolution and saturated viewing experience. This replacement screen supports True Tone functionality, which can be activated using a programmer. Please note that the original ear speaker, front camera, and proximity sensor need to be transferred. The Face ID feature will remain fully functional after installation. This kit is compatible with iPhone X models A1865, A1901, and A1902. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a DIY installation. For detailed guidance, you can find video instructions on YouTube by searching for Replace iPhone X LCD Screen Replacement. Before beginning the installation, remember to disconnect the battery flex cable to prevent any damage to the screen. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This screen replacement offers the unique ability to retain True Tone functionality with a programmer and ensures Face ID remains active. If you're someone who values original display features and seamless functionality, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for users who want to restore their iPhone X to its full original glory. What people say. The screen replacement kit for iPhone X is a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary tools for a successful repair. The quality of the replacement screen is excellent, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolution, comparable to the original display. Installation was straightforward, and the touch functionality works perfectly after the replacement. Number 1. passionTR LCD Screen Replacement for iPhone X. Introducing a brand new, high-definition replacement screen for your device. It's been rigorously tested to ensure optimal performance before shipping. Experience vibrant visuals with this Retina HD display. The integrated digitizer ensures a smooth and responsive touch experience. This package comes with everything you need for a successful repair. We've also included a safety packing box to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Specifically designed as a replacement part for your iPhone X 5.8-inch model. It's the perfect solution for a cracked or malfunctioning screen. While the LCD screen and touch screen are pre-assembled, professional installation is recommended for the best results. Get your device looking and working like new again. What we like. This option provides a Retina HD display that is thoroughly tested before shipping and comes in a safety packing box. If you prioritize a high-quality visual experience and reliable product delivery, this is a strong contender. It's best for users who want a dependable replacement with a focus on visual clarity and product integrity. What people say. The screen replacement kit for iPhone X is a comprehensive package that includes all the necessary tools for a successful repair. The display quality of the replacement screen is excellent, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolution that matches the original iPhone X screen. The touch sensitivity is highly responsive, ensuring a smooth user experience without any lag or dead spots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.